video, I'm going to show you the three main topics of slope and things to remember. The first thing we're going to look at is the types of slopes that you will see. So the first two are positive and negative slopes. And what you want to do to figure out if a graph has a positive slope or a negative slope is you want to look at the graph and read it from left to right. So remember, you're going to take your highlighter and we're going to start on the left side of the graph and look at our line that's there for us. And we're just going to highlight it going from left to right. And as you're highlighting, you're asking yourself, are you moving up or are you moving down? For a positive slope, you're going up left to right. When you look at a negative graph, you do the same thing. Start on the left side of the page and move to the right and ask yourself again, are you going up or down? In this case, you're going down, so the graph would be negative. The last two types of slope we're going to see are zero and undefined. Remember that a zero slope is a horizontal line. So here, this is our graph, and this is a horizontal line. It's a flat line, so our slope is 0. In this graph, the line is straight up and down, which would be a vertical line. So the graph is an undefined slope. Our next topic is finding the slope from a graph. So in this case, our picture that we have is right here, our graph. And in order to find the slope, we want to look at from left to right. We are going up, so we know that it's going to be a positive slope. And then we need to actually find the value, so the number of the slope. So how far up and over does this slope go? So in order to do that, we're going to follow our steps, and we are going to first plot 2 points on our graph. So remember, they need to be good points where the line crosses through the little light blue graph on the back. So like this would be a good point right here. And if I follow the line to another one of those, I've got one right here. Once I do that, I draw my triangle. So I go straight up and over. And I've got my triangle between my 2 points. I'm going to count the rise over the run. So rise, I go up 1, 2, 3. And my run, I go over 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I have that, I need to write my answer as a fraction. So rise divided by run. And the graph was positive, so it's positive. The last one is finding the slope from 2 points. The first thing you want to do is plot your 2 points that you're given. So I'm going to go -3, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 0. So I'm going to go over 4, and I'm not going to go up or down any since my other number is 0. I'm going to connect them. And then just like before, I'm going to make my triangle. I'm going to go up and over. And then I'm going to count my rise over run. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my slope is 4 over 7. Positive or negative, I look at my line, and if I get a highlighter, follow my line from left to right, I am going down. So my slope will be negative. So those are the three main topics that we're going to be talking about in slope and reviewing as we move on. Just a quick little reminder in case you need anything or forgotten anything.